Fort Wayne, Indiana is home to over 400,000 people. From its founding near the confluence of its three rivers in 1794 by General Anthony Wayne, the city has evolved through many identities. From its humble start as a trading post to the booming economy and manufacturing scene in the 1920s through the 1970s. Fort Wayne was a dying city in the late 70s and 80s. The Rust Belt was indeed living up to its name. Manufacturing loss left downtown Fort Wayne a city that had been. Beginning in the early 2000s, plans, committees, and neighborhoods joined together with revitalization experts and the city, along with Greater Fort Wayne Incorporated, to set a goal of making Fort Wayne a destination and living city. The results are stunning. With the addition of Parkview Field, home of the Fort Wayne Tin Caps, the city has come alive. Renovating older landmarks into places to live like the new Superior Loft apartment complex, modern cityscape flats, and the influx in revitalizing historic neighborhoods like West Central. All of the new and modern revitalization efforts blend seamlessly with the old Fort Wayne landmarks, like the historic Embassy Theater and the Lincoln Bank Tower, at one time Indiana's tallest building, and of course the iconic Allen County Courthouse. But Fort Wayne isn't done yet. With greater expansion and improvement planned, like the $100 million riverfront development, embracing the three rivers that drew the Miami tribe and those outpost traders here initially, to undertaking the ambitious $190 million Deep Rock Tunnel project, building upon the investment Fort Wayne is committed to its once life-giving waters. This project is part of this exciting redevelopment and revitalization. The 7-story Hampton Inn & Suites is just one of the many examples of private investment into Fort Wayne's growing influence in the region. R.L. McCoy is proud to have a small part in helping the community reach its goals, and we are proud to call Fort Wayne home. The Schwing 47 meter is the perfect fit for this project. Its relatively small footprint and extensive reach make placing concrete at 5 stories an easier task. In combination with the laser screed, pour rates of 75 to 90 cubic yards per hour at these elevations are common. Remember, concrete work is hard enough, but placing it doesn't have to be.